Hey guys, so in this video we're going to see about the switch statement. Statement, it is the same as the if else statement or else if statement. At here also we are going to check the multiple condition at a time. So let's run our code. I've written, suppose I've given the int a equals to 5. But the one more difference is that you can check the string condition in the switch statement also. Like as I've given the switch and then I've given the a, and then at here I've given the case 1. Check the first condition, this way I've given the 1 case and I printed the message. Let's, for example, I've given the 1 only, and then I want to break the condition. If the condition has been become true, then it will break the loop from this switch statement. And case, I've written the case 2, then cout, and let's write two, and then again I will write break. Suppose let's decrease the value. Let's I've given the 2, and then now I will write the default value, the default, and in CORR is incorrect. I've given the incorrect, and at here at last we don't need to write the break statement. Now let's run the code. As you can see on the screen, the output is 2. The reason behind is that as you can see on the screen, int a equals to 2. We have given the int a equals to 2. Then in the switch statement, it start the looping. Then it will check the condition. In the first case, it has taken the condition that case is 1. The condition is false. So that's why it has been again started the condition that again in case 2 it has checked the condition that a and case 2 has been matched. That's why it has been printed the 2. And then you might be wondering that why I have written the break. Suppose if I remove the break, suppose I have written the break from the case 2, then if I will print, as you can see, it has been printed 2 and incurring both. That means it will continue looping the statement. If the condition has been true, but still it will be going to be loop. So that's why you have to use the break. If you don't use the break, then it will continue check the condition in the switch case. It will print all the message after whatever you check the condition. Like suppose I've given the break at here, then run the code. You will see the 2 and incorrect output. The 1 hasn't been printed because the 1 condition hasn't been true. Like a equals to is 2, and in the first case number 7 the case is 1. That's why the condition hasn't been true though, so that's why the 1 is not been printed. So I've written the break. Whenever you use the switch statement, it is mandatory to use the break statement, otherwise it will be continue looping and looping. It will print all the message whatever you write in the bottom of the. Suppose what if I've given the case 2 in the last. Suppose I printed the case 2, what will the output now? The output will be, I think, let's see, the output is 2. You might be wondering now why the default is not being printed. The default, the reason is behind, I've said you that it will check the condition first. The condition has been checked, case 2. The output has been true, this way it has been printed. So this way default is just a, suppose to run the default code, I have given the 5. Now see the code, incorrect and 2. See at here I have been using the break statement, this way it has been looping incorrect and 2. So hope you have understood this the switch statement in C++. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel.